Hey guys, it is Friday here in West Virginia, and it is time for us to do our weekly Free It Friday video. And today we got an awesome set of cars for you guys. This is a set that I have been anticipating since they mentioned them about 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, something like that. On Instagram. This is M2 machines I'm talking about. This is a first time thing that they're doing in collaboration with Walmart. I know they've done this before with Walmart, only exclusive sets, same vehicles and stuff, but this is a different way of doing things, and I guess they're going to test the waters with like the new age of shopping, where people no longer want to go to brick and mortar stores, they buy online. So what they did, they launched a 6-car set called the Pink Chrome series that you can only buy on Walmart.com. You can't buy it at the store, you have to buy it online. So maybe this is going to be a new trend that we see happening, but I'm not sure. We'll find out. And anyways, I got 2 sets of them today. They arrived in the mail, and I will have to give this to Walmart. They were super fast with shipping. I ordered these sets Monday afternoon around lunchtime when they first debuted. I think within 20 minutes of M2 saying that they were launched, I ordered them, and they arrived this afternoon, 2 days later. But I do live in West Virginia, and I think the distribution warehouse where they're coming from is in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. So I'm a little bit close to that area. So if you're on the other side of the country, it may take a little longer. But anyways, they did get them out quickly. They didn't waste any time. I think they went out the same day I ordered. So I will give them that. And when you do get them, they arrive just like this. I've already cut the top open. I have not taken this set out. I ordered 2 sets, and they come in your M2 box. It's a little bit smaller than the boxes I've seen at Walmart. The boxes I see at Walmart usually have 1 sleeve, or 2 sleeves. This one just has 1 sleeve of 6 cars. And then on the side, you can see category Diecast, cast line incorporated, made in China, and then the part number 164 M2 machines, pack quantity 6 and such. And here's the original shipping label from where they went directly to Walmart from wherever they were made. And trailer case label, not sure what that means. But anyways, yeah, this is it. This is how you will get the set if you order it. I think they sold out within a couple of hours on Monday, but that wasn't the whole quantity. I think they only received half the shipment, and that's all they listed on Walmart. Then the other half of the shipment arrived Tuesday, and then they replenished the stock, and now they're still available. I actually ordered a 3rd set because I have a feeling these are going to be hard to come by pretty soon, and they're going to go for a decent price, probably 15 or 20 bucks a pop, especially for the main ones. I would say the square body truck is going to be number uno, and then the Dodge truck will probably follow. The Dodge truck is all I wanted. I wanted 2 of them, 1 to slam and 1 to keep 4-wheel drive. But I ordered a 3rd case, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the Dodge truck, and that I may keep it too. Just depends on like what happens over the next week with these things. But anyways, as I said, I cut the top, so we'll flip it open, and then when you flip it open, you have this cardboard panel here. And you open it up, and you can see, there it is, Pink Chrome Series. And what I did with the other box, I cut the bottom and then kind of dumped it out. It was a really good idea, actually. This one I wanted to cut from the top so you guys could see how they look and stuff. And that way, I don't know, they just don't, I hope they don't fall out. I don't think they will. I'm just flipping the box over like so, and voila. And flip it back over so you guys can see the sleeve. And this is exactly how they're packed. Really cool. Actually, my two favorite ones in the front. That is your Dodge Pick 'em Up Power Wagon and the Chevrolet Silverado Chevy Sport. And then under the Chevy Sport is the 55 Chevy, and it actually looks pretty good in this pink and white two-tone with the original style hubcaps and wide white wall tires and such. I'm not going to pull these out of the boxes right now. I'm just going to go over the box, give you a close-up look at the car, and that's about it for today. Later on, I'm going to do it on more in-depth unboxing on this guy in particular, and do a video maybe on chassis swapping him for the lowrider style chassis. But yeah, this thing looks really good. This is the third release of this model, the Pick 'em Up. There's the red one that was released, I don't know, this time probably last year. And then the white one that is in the auto haulers type of case with a trailer and the Project Hemi Roadrunner on the trailer. And now this guy, the pink one. So pretty cool. I like this pink. It's really not like they said, it's not really a pink chrome. It's nowhere near like Mattel's Spectra Flame, but it's still pretty nice. I mean, it's at least what I would call like candy magenta, probably. Maybe not so much pink chrome. I'm not sure how it's formulated or how it's applied. Maybe they call it pink chrome because of the process of putting the paint on the car, but I don't know. I don't think these are chrome plated with paint over them like the RLC Spectra Flame stuff is. But still, once again, very nice. And the price online, you can't really beat it. You get the 6-pack for $39.95, and then you have to pay your state's taxes. And my state was eligible for free shipping. I don't know if that's every state. It's usually any order over $35. You can get free shipping with Walmart.com, I believe. So yeah, I got this 6-pack cheaper than I could get a 6-pack for in the store, because they're usually $6.84 or $6.94 now plus tax. So they come to like $7.15 here. Our tax is 7%. So yeah, it's not cheap anymore. So yeah, the 6 cars will cost you at least $42, somewhere around $43 in the store. So yeah, that's pretty good that we got these for the same price, maybe a little bit less, and you got them shipped to your house for free, or you will get them, I should say. So that is the Dodge. Now we'll do what was behind him. This is probably going to be the third most popular, or maybe it would be tied in second with the Dodge. This is your 1959 VW double cab truck. It's the USA model. Looks pretty cool with the white trim on this pink. Really nice looking. The pink center caps on the white wheels looks really cool. Yeah, it's a good looking little truck with the roof rack and such. Nice detail on the front with your VW logo in white. Very cool looking little pickup truck for you VW fans. This would have been a great set to have released in October for breast cancer awareness, but this really ain't the same color pink, but still yet it's pink. So moving along to probably numero uno in the set, the big square body. This is the 1976 Chevrolet Silverado Chevy Sport, and it is a step-side pickup, and the wheels look pretty good. They're like a stock looking Chevy Rally or something. And the pink paint on this truck looks really good with the white pinstripe highlights and the white top. Looks really, really sweet. Yeah, the pink is really a nice color. Nice detailed grille. A couple little areas that are not blacked out where they should be on the grill. But yeah, it happened to a couple of my Dodges too. You got the gold bow tie in the center. Your orange marker lights under the headlights. Good looking truck. And Chevrolet in white letters across the tailgate. And then the box itself is really cool. How it has all of the M2 livery on it, but on different things like helmets, hats, license plates, all kinds of stuff. And this almost resembles the box for the new club piece coming up. They just released a picture of the box today of what's coming up for the club car. I think it's number 19. So that's one that I'm going to be following for right now. I'm not sure if I'm going to buy it or not. It just depends on the vehicle, and it depends if I can get it or not, because these are limited by number, not like RLC. So I'm sure the M2 Club stuff goes much quicker than the RLC stuff does, depending on the car, I should say. So here's next. This is for you Ford guys. The 1976 Ford Bronco, which in my opinion looks the same as the ones from the 60s. I used to love the casting, the 67 Bronco from Hot Wheels. Nice stripe. I guess it's kind of like a reversed hockey stripe. Like for, I know, Chevy Yanko, it would have been backwards. And it goes across the hood instead of like going across the tailgate or across the deck lid if it was a car. Looks really good though, actually. And the white top. And these chrome 5-slot style wheels with the mud tires. Looks pretty good. Matching spare on the back. Nice white grille with pink Ford lettering in the middle. Looks pretty cool. And then we have two left here, guys. And you can see the tissue paper to keep them from scuffing the cases on each other. And here is that 55 Chevy Bel Air. That looks really good, actually, with the pink and white. And then you got the pink and black two-tone interior. Stock style hubcaps, I would assume. And wide white wall tires. Nice detail on the front grille area. The hood emblems. The thing that looks like a jet or a bird. And also the other emblem that goes across the front part of the hood. And then on the back, nice detailed tail lights and deck lid emblem. You got bumperettes on the rear bumper, I think on the front too. Yeah, bumperettes all the way around. Very nice looking vehicle. This is the last one. This is for the JDM guys. This is your 1970 Nissan Fairlady Z432. And as you can see, this is a release 1. This is the first release of them doing something like this. Pretty cool. And nice detailed front end on this car. I'm surprised these did not go over better than what they did with collectors, because it's a nice looking model, actually. Nice detail with the tail lights and bumper and such. So yeah, I don't know what was wrong with the car, why it didn't go over better. But anyways, that is all 6 of them, guys. And I have a couple of them listed on my IG, and they will be on my eBay soon. And all of them will be there except for the Dodge. The Dodge truck I am keeping. And I have another set coming, as I said. I'm not sure if I'm going to sell the whole set as a one complete set or part it out. And I'm not sure, I may even part with the Dodge truck in that one. I'm not sure yet, because all I wanted is one to leave stock like this with a 4x4 base, and then put one on a slammed base. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And as I said, if you go to M2's Instagram page and hit the link in their bio, it will take you to their main website, and then there's a direct link for the Pink Chrome Series Walmart online. It's the very top link bar that you would click on, and it will take you right there, and you should be able to get a set. They are limited to 6,000 units. So once they're gone, they're gone. I know the first half went quite quickly. The second half is going, but not as quick. Since I looked this afternoon, they're still available. So anyways, guys, that's it. We'll probably be back over the weekend with something new that we find at Walmart, I hope. But if not, we'll be back again on Monday to do our Mopar Monday as usual. So thanks for watching, guys, and good luck with your hunt.